Okay, this is the first test of OBS Studio software. Today, I'll be doing scuffed Pikachu drawing. Okay, so Pikachu. You might be wondering, what is Pikachu? Well, he's a rat. He's a glorified rat.
Oh, I sidestepped that.
He's a glorified rat with a taser face. So first, gotta get the shape of Pikachu. He's like a... Oh, I gotta turn my sensitivity down. It's too high. Okay. Do like 800, yeah. So there's like a square like that. Yeah, that's looking like Pikachu already. He looks like a penguin, like that. Then you got the ears. Oh yes, it's perfect. Then his ears had his little...
that was a B over it, but alright then.
In case you're wondering, he's playing Super Smash Brothers. You got the little electric boy. Then you got his little mouth hole. That's important for Pikachu. Pikachu also has little arms. And with the with Pikachu's arms, they're like little tubes. And it has little bitty grabby boys. You gotta draw little grabby boys. You gotta make sure you cover your tracks. You don't want a low quality drawing if you're going into art school with these. So make sure when you're drawing your grabby boys, you make like at least 14 fingers, as that's important to Pikachu's character. Pikachu doesn't really have toes, so we're just going to give him 2 toes on each foot. And we're going to give him a little shocky tail. See, rumor has it this is where he, this is all how the Hawaiian Missile Crisis started. Is with Pikachu. Pikachu caused the false alarm for the missile crisis. So right now, you may be wondering, but where's that looks nothing like Pikachu. That's not gonna work. And I'm like, well, you're right. It looks absolutely nothing like Pikachu. I never said this would be a good drawing. This is scuffed drawing Pikachu. But we're getting there.
Yeah.
One bite, one small bite of your cheesecake.
Sure, we'll say that's Pikachu.
I just want one bite. I want to taste.
Okay, it's mine is the original flavor.
They're discussing cheesecake.
Which is
very important topic.
It's good. Don't get me wrong, but I definitely prefer the
Oh
other
no!
flavors of cheesecake that they have.
Oh no! We gotta undo that one. I gotta cover up the little
Yeah, I tried
holes.
it. It's good.
The holes aren't good
it's
things.
like if I go back in order, I'm not gonna get.
Boosh! There we go. Pikachu is yellow. Gone wrong. Okay. So now you might be wondering, hey, where's Pikachu's eyes? He has eyes, right? The answer to that is no. Or we're gonna give him some prosthetics, because I don't want y'all getting mad at me because Pikachu doesn't have eyes.
The lowest character is Little Mac. Every time, dude.
Pikachu is just like, what's the name of that word? Like where you're just like, you're not vibing. I don't know what the word is for that. He's desolate. Pikachu is desolate. Hold on, I gotta fix that. I made him look too normal. And then something's not right. Oh, I remember. I forgot Ash. Ketchup. Gotta catch 'em all, Ash. Peckachew. That's a lightning bolt because he caught Pikachu. Oh yeah. Oh, get him. Get him, Ash Ketchum. Pokemon extraordinaire. What a gamer. What color are Pokeballs? They're red and blue.
white.
Red and white? Okay. Oh. Oh, and I killed Ash. Okay, what? Oh yeah, okay. And then, if you want,
So overpowered.
you want accuracy, you gotta make it to where he's catching Pikachu. This is my favorite brush because it looks the least realistic. So Pikachu's in a little force field. I really hope this is recording my audio right now, or else I'm gonna be really sad. Now we go back. Ash has some nice leg. Ash has some real nice leg. See, the reason his foot's sticking out so far is because of perspective. He's like stepping at, like he's about to sock you in the face with a Pokeball. That's how close he is right now, and he's rapidly approaching. Ash Ketchum gives off some not epic vibes. If you see this man, run. Run, I say. Run from Ash Ketchup. Oh, no, run from Luigi. I take it back, run from Luigi. We're gonna fix this. If you see this man, run the other way. He's a volatile being with no mercy whatsoever. See this Pikachu right here? He did illegal experimentation and now he's ruined. He's suffocated. Ash Ketchup suffocated his Pikachu and now it's a Smurf. It's a Smurf Pikachu. And he looks like Santa Claus. You can't let this happen, Ash Ketchup. Can't let it happen. You just can't. It's not allowed. So if this ever happens to you, you get the big guns. You get your spray paint, and you just throw. He's too powerful. Just throw some pepper on Luigi. Yeah, take that, Luigi. You were always the second favorite. That's a compliment. Yeah, just throw some pepper on Luigi. Okay, make sure you save your artwork too as Brungle dot JPEG. But make sure you save it as a PNG or else it won't work. Okay. I'ma head out.